Hello friends. Very often we need to write something while we are teaching online. Either you are teaching mathematics, physics, chemistry or any other subject. Or we have to draw some sketches or drawing. So for that we use electronic writing pad, or we call it digital pad or a graphic tablet, whatever you call it. So right now in market, the price of these product ranges from 13,000, 14,000, and up to several, or I can say more than 100,000. You can see in this website the price of this small creative pen tablet is 17,800, then 25,000, 26,000, 43,000, 63,000, and here you can see more than 100,000. So in this video I am going to show you how you can use your mobile phone or tablet as a secondary display with your laptop or PC. It will help you to use your smartphone as a writing pad or a digital pad while you are teaching online using a whiteboard. So for this, let's begin. First, we will install Space Desk. It's a freeware software, freeware. So without any charge, you can download it. So for this, type spacedesk.net. Then on the site, you have a download option. Click on it. So you should know which Windows you are using, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, and then 32-bit or a 64-bit. You can go to your setting and see which version you are using, 64-bit or 32-bit. So I am using 64-bit Windows 10, so I'm installing it. When I will click on it, the download installation file will be downloaded on my computer and I will install it. So after installation, the thing which is very important, you must restart your computer to activate this software. After installation, restart your computer once. So you can see in the bottom at the taskbar the icon of this software, Space Desk driver. Now the second step is install the same Space Desk software in your smartphone. For this, go to Play Store. Over here, type Space Desk, search for it. So over here you can see a Space Desk software. Because I have already installed it, so I will going to open it, and here you can see the software Space Desk. Remember here one thing that is very important: when you are using this software, your Wi-Fi network for both the devices should be same. Means your PC or laptop, whatever you are using, and your smartphone should be connected with the same Wi-Fi network. Or you can connect your phone with USB cable with your laptop or PC. It will automatically detect your phone and show you the extended display of your monitor of PC or laptop. Installing this Space Desk on both the devices, on my mobile phone as well as on my laptop. So I will connect my laptop with this mobile phone as extended display. So the name of my laptop, Salman FFC, is coming on the screen right now, and I have a link connection 192.168.10.5. So I'm going to click on it. So now you can see the screen of my laptop is coming on my mobile as extended device, and when I am moving my finger on the screen of my mobile, so you can see the cursor is moving. So now I can use my mobile phone as a graphic tablet or writing pad while I am teaching online on MS Team or any other software. So in my demo class, I'm going to call one meeting, and in this meeting I am using whiteboard, for example, over here, Microsoft Whiteboard. So now you can see whatever I am writing on my mobile screen is appearing on the desktop. I can erase it. Okay, I'm using my stylus of my laptop, so I have to press little bit hard to write with the stylus. So this is how you can use your mobile screen as a digital pad or writing pad, electronic writing pad. So thank you very much. Stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Like, share and comment. Thank you.